60-year-old Jamaican deportee charged for re-entering the USA. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 60-year-old Jamaican woman who re-entered the United States illegally after she was deported 22 years ago following her conviction for aggravated felony has been arrested by law enforcement officers in that country once again. Veron Venita Goldburn has been charged with being present in the United States after removal and conviction for aggravated felony. According to a statement on Tuesday from the U.S. Attorney's Office for the District of Virginia Island, the Jamaican national faces a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison. Allegations are that Goldburn was previously removed from the United States in March 2000 after she was convicted of a felony, the details of which were not disclosed. Court documents further show that on April 24, 2022, Goldburn was a ticketed passenger on a flight from St. Thomas in the USA Virgin Islands to Miami, Florida. On her arrival at the Cyril E. King Airport, the Jamaican presented herself to the U.S. Custom and Border Protection primary inspection point, where officers determined that she had no legal status in the United States, having previously been removed. The release said she was subsequently arrested and charged with illegal entry. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.